Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Daddy.
Happy 60th
दादी, ऐसी बहुत चीजें हैं जो मम्मा और पापा को नहीं पता, लेकिन सिर्फ आपको पता है। जैसे और रात को टीवी देखना, जब मम्मा एक्सेट्रा। एंजॉय योर डे, दादी। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मीनू। बहुत बहुत मुबारक पूरे परिवार को हमारी तरफ से लख लख बधाइयाँ।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मीनू मामी। मामी बहुत से ज्यादा हम एक फ्रेंडली रिलेशन शेयर करते हैं। You always explore new things in life, which is very admirable about you.
मामी से ज्यादा आप मेरे लिए अच्छी फ्रेंड हो जिससे मैं सब कुछ शेयर कर सकता हूँ।
You're open to new ideas, not just for yourself but for others also.
You're unapologetically you, and I love how passionate you are about the things that you do.
A very happy 60th birthday.
Stay young forever.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Meenu. You are an incredible person with all your love and strength and warmness. You've taken care of your family. God bless you, Meenu.
60 years young, here's to love, laughter, and joy. Happy birthday, Auntie Ji.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ji. You are such a great inspiration for all of us. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Biruji. God bless you with lot of good health, strength, and we look forward to keep enjoying in your company.
Best wishes from Rilmutra family.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. And little from Sahaj also.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई। हमारे साथ 1980 से अब तक जुड़े रहने के लिए, ऐसे ही हमारे को बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फूल दिए, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई। विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे चाची।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे चाची।
Happy birthday, Raji.
हैप्पी बर्थडे चाची।
Happy birthday, Meenu. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy
You-
birthday.
You are the strongest pillar of our family. You keep our family bound together.
Stay happy and healthy always. May God bless you.
Bye.
Bye. Enjoy your day.
मीनू जी, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday, Meenu.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मीनू मामी। मीनू मामी के लिए कुछ पंक्तियाँ। हर महफिल की जो जान है, सबके चेहरों पे लाती मुस्कान है। जिसकी दाल मखनी के सब है कायल, जिसका सोशल मीडिया पे सब है वायरल। जो बच्चों से अतुल्य स्नेह पाती, जो दादी मामी चाची बन हर रूप में भाती। ऐसे विशाल काय चरित्र, ज्ञान व बुद्धि की धनी मीनू मामी को जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू।
Wish you a very happy birthday, Chachi. Stay hot always.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Choti Nani.
विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे छोटी नानी।
Shri Krishna, happy birthday Meenu Mami. We all love you.
Happy birthday, Mami ji. According to me, you are a multitasker. In family gathering and get together, you are a fashion diva and my role model. हमने जब भी आपको वृंदावन और हरिद्वार में देखा है, पूरी श्रद्धा से भक्ति करते देखा है। You are very helpful and supportive to all. Love you.
Happy birthday, Meenu. God bless you, beta.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Congratulations. Love you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mami ji. God bless you with lot of love and happiness. Thank you for always being there for us whenever needed. We really appreciate and love you. Happy birthday, Mami ji. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You're not just aging gracefully but fabulously. You have a heart filled with kindness and generosity. May this wonderful milestone be filled with adventure and lots of new experiences.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hi, I got the question. What is Meenu Taneja for me? मेरे लिए ओके अब चलो कुछ बातें आपको भी याद दिला देते हैं। बचपन में छुट्टियां होते ही भागती थी मैं, मुझे मासी के घर जाना है, फटाफट बैग पैक करके सारी छुट्टियां आपके घर बिताना। छोटी छोटी बातें आप मेरे डिमांड्स पूरे करते थे। मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड की लिस्ट, मेरा फेल होके रिपोर्ट कार्ड पिक करने जाना, कॉलेज बंक करना और आपको पता चल जाना। बहुत कुछ है और बहुत कुछ है जो आपने संभाला है। लोग कहते हैं मासी मासी होती है भाई, बट मेरे लिए तो माँ जैसी होती है भाई। और इन शॉर्ट मुझे बिगाड़ने का प्रोसेस मासी पे जाता है। सो हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी 60th बर्थडे मासी।
हेलो मीनू जी, क्या हाल चाल? विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। कैसे मनाया जा रहा है? हम भी आ रहे हैं बर्थडे के ज्वाइन करने के लिए। खुश रहो और खूब धूमधाम से बर्थडे मनाओ। विश यू अगेन ए वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा। लव यू लव यू लव यू। गॉड ब्लेस यू।
मीनू बेटा, wish you a very happy birthday, 60th birthday. We love you all. Have a good birthday.
Hi Meenu Bhavi, wishing you a wonderful birthday and a great year ahead. May God give you all the health and happiness. Wishing you again, enjoy your birthday. Over to Neeru.
Hello Bobby, happy birthday, enjoy your day. I hope भैया आपको spoil कर रहे हैं. Have fun. इधर अंजलि सन्नप करेगी.
Hi, happy birthday auntie. Congratulations.
Meenu Mami to us are a vibrant free spirit, embracing each moment with enthusiasm. You exude elegance that is unparalleled. From all of us here in the Khurana family, a very happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to dear Meenu Didi. Magnetic personality you are. You are elegant, enthusiastic, always with noble ideas, a unique personality. Wish you a happy long life. Enjoy your day. Happy 60th.
हैप्पी बर्थडे, बहुत बहुत मुबारक, खुश रहो, सुखी रहो।
Happy birthday Meenu Di.
Happy birthday Meenu Di. Wish you a very 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 happy birthday and especially the 60th birthday. Happy birthday to you once again.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Meenu Didi. Wishing you a birthday that's as wonderful as you are. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday to you.
You're not only my bua but my partner in everything. Wishing you all the love and happiness in this world.
We still can't believe you have turned 60.
Love you.
Is interpreted as a fish, which means grace and fluidity. As your name suggests, you have done justice to your name. You haven't left any milestone unachieved in your life. Starting from designing of stuffed toys, being a super master chef, or maybe modeling, or maybe an entrepreneur, I've seen you playing all the roles in your life. You are an idol. May you be always and always blessed with best of both worlds. Happy birthday.
मीनू तो जवाब नहीं, और भी कुछ कहना है?
Happy birthday, Meenu Di. How are you? Meenu Di, you really hold a special place in my heart. I still remember the days when we had lots of fun together. You never made me feel that you are empty to me, though you're not. I know that. Stay fit, stay happy, stay gorgeous as ever. Lots of love to you and Gigi.
मीनू मेरी छोटी बहन है। 10 साल के बाद वह हमारे घर आई। हमारे माँ बाप ने हमें बहुत ऐश कराई। उनके जाने के बाद भी उसने मेरा बहुत साथ दिया। बहनें तो बहनें होती हैं। मैं उसे सब कुछ मानती हूँ। शायद कोई ऐसी बात हो जो मैं उससे शेयर नहीं कर सकती। हैप्पी बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस।
Wishing you a very very happy birthday, Meenu Di. You are an angel to us. कोई भी चीज़ में जब भी आपको याद करती हूँ ना, आपका एक हंसता और मुस्कुराता चेहरा सामने आता है। जब भी मैं कहीं हंस जाती हूँ ना, तो आई एम लाइक मीनू दी है ना, वो हैंडल कर लेंगी। यू आर लाइक अ फ्लावर, यू ब्लॉसम एवरी टाइम। यू स्प्रेड सो मच एनर्जी, so much positivity. Your smile is a miracle. You are a gem of a person and you mean a lot to me. Thank you for being there always and standing by my side whenever I need you. I love you, Minudi. Many, many, many happy returns of the day.
Hello, Gudiya. Minu, happy birthday. You will be wondering why I called you Gudiya. That was the first time when I held you in my hands when you were born. Everybody was saying, it's Gudiya aa gayi hai. But my mother said, no, she is my Malka. People who don't know Malka is Minu's mother and my aunt. She was the most beautiful lady among her siblings. So is Minu. Minu, you are full of love, helpful to everybody. Everybody respects you, and you have earned a special spot in our heart too. Although we are miles away, but you always feel like you are with us, and we are with you. Wishing you a very happy birthday on this day, and lots of more love and blessings. May God bless you all the time. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Minu.
Enjoy your day.
Hi, Minu. I want to wish you a happy birthday from all of us. I know time is short, so we wanted to send you a quick video. School may be my bache, otherwise they wanted to join, and of course everybody else is working. But we don't want to miss the opportunity to wish you a wonderful, special birthday. God bless you. And thank you to Sal for including us in this special message. We were asked to comment on what Minu means to us. So that's very simple. Minu means everything to us. She is our beloved sister. She's a beloved daughter. She's a beloved aunt. And we're so happy and blessed that she's in our life. So we wouldn't have a life as good as we'd have it and fulfilled without her. So Minu, thank you for being part of our life. We wish you many, many more so that we can continue our life journey together. And you're such a blessed mom and wife, and you're so special to everyone, especially keeping everybody together over there and keeping in touch with everyone. So that just tells you what kind of special person Minu is.
उसके बर्थडे की पार्टी कर
कर रही है वहाँ पे.
Let's go.
Let's go. She's gonna be sweet 16. कुछ कहना है?
Sweet 16 is sweet 16. She's always sweet 16.
I know, she's our sweetest 16.
Yes.
Always sweetest.
Happy birthday to her.
Yes. So I'm putting the video on now. You want to say something?
I can just say, be happy and healthy, stay well, and have a good life.
Happy birthday, Minu Didi. Congratulations on your 60th birthday. Best wishes today and always. You've been a wonderful big Didi for us throughout, and could not have asked for a better sister. We share a lot of fond memories of you and us growing up together, and we look forward to creating more memories in the future. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a fantastic birthday.
Hi, Minu Auntie. We are your nieces from New Jersey. We have such fond memories of when you visited us and we went to the zoo.
You are an amazing aunt and we can't wait to see you again. Happy birthday!
I wish you a very happy birthday, dear Minu. Cheers to many more glorious returns. Wishing you joy, health, happiness, and sunshine. I know you, Minu, as a very kind-hearted soul, ever ready to help everybody, full of love, with a smile on your lips. Please stay the way you are. I value our friendship very much. Love you to the moon and back. Happy birthday, Minu. Have a wonderful day. You are the great personality. Guruji bless you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Happy 60th birthday, my dear mother-in-law.
60 ईयर्स की आप लगते तो नहीं हो, लेकिन सेलिब्रेट हम 60 करने वाले हैं. Okay, so now jokes apart, I want to just share one thing with you that मुझे लगता है कि ये तनीजा खानदान में मैं जैसे भी हूँ, जो भी हूँ, मुझे लगता है शायद I try to follow you, I try to be like you because I've seen and you know I have observed कि कितने सारे लोग आपके लिए they are crazy. I don't know how, I don't know why, but when I stay with you, when I try recalling a lot of things, I start realizing कि आप हो ही ऐसे. That you know you have that connection, that bond. कितने लोगों की videos मैंने सुनी हैं, they're all talking about the same thing, that you're very helpful, you're very caring, you're very sweet. एक आवाज़ पे आप पहुँच जाते हो और वो fact है. एक आवाज़ पे आप पहुँच जाते हो. साइलेंट में लड़ते भी है ना, तभी भी आप ऊपर ही आ जाते हो. एक आवाज़ में ही पहुँच जाते हो. Happy birthday, my dear.
Hi, Mama. Not very good at expressing myself, but still will try. The question we've been asked is what Meenu means to you. तो बहुत सोचा हम लोगों ने इस बारे में. जो समझ में आया वो ये है. हमारी पूरी फैमिली एक बॉडी की तरह, जिसके हेड पापा हैं, उसकी आर्म्स ये दोनों बहुए हैं, और फिंगर्स ये बच्चे, लेग्स सागर और मैं, और पता है आप क्या हो? आप स्पाइन हो. आप स्पाइन की तरह आपने सबको जोड़ के रखा हुआ है, और आपको पता है मैं ये क्यों बोल रहा हूँ. तो बस स्टे लाइक दिस, यू आर आवर स्ट्रेंथ, और हमेशा खुश रहो और खुशियाँ बांटते रहो जैसे आप बांटते हो. तो हैप्पी बर्थडे मम्मा, आई लव यू.